Hello everyone, this is Gurleen from Makeup by Curl Girl, and I hope you all are doing great. You all must be safe. So, here, what I have for all the skincare lovers is one of the favorite brand which I have fallen in love with, and I'm definitely going to disclose the name of the brand. So I am going to use some of their products. I'll talk about the ingredients and packaging and everything, and I am sure that you all are going to love those products. So the name of the brand is Nishi. Yeah, it's the brand name is Nishi Skincare. What I have here with me from this brand is I have the gold gel with me, and this is Cheeky Nude Blush and Lip Gel. So here are the products which I'm going to talk about in this video. Starting with the first product, which is one of my favorite face mask. This is this Nishi Glow Sugar Ice Cream Mask. It looks like this, and it comes in a very handy and glass packaging. Just look at the packaging. So when I heard about the name ice cream, I was like, I have to buy it at any cost because I definitely wanted to try it. And when I read about the ingredients, I was completely shocked. So the ingredients which they have are they have raspberry seed oil, shea butter, vitamin C, vitamin E, olive oil, almond oil, okay, carrot seed, and jojoba oil. So these were some of the ingredients. So when I read about the ingredients, I mean they are so organic and so natural, right? This is a multi-use face mask, which means that you can also use it as a sleeping mask. So you can apply it and sleep, and the next morning when you will wake up, there will be a glowy on your face. So let's just open it. The quantity which you get here is 50 grams. Let's open it and see. Let me show you the formula also. So here is one more lid for extra protection. This is how it looks. I know it would be looking like a creamish texture, a creamish color, but no, this is quite a baby pink tone. And let me show you all the texture first. This is so smooth. See, this is really very smooth on the skin. I've already tried it so many times. I know you all would be excited about the application and the live results. So here I'm up. Can you see it has not dried up and my skin is already glowing? That's what I love about this product. Okay, let it dry up and I'll definitely catch you all with the results. So I've just washed my face and here are the results. Just mind the glow. Yes. So I'm definitely in love with this product, from ingredients, from packaging. I really love this product and I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. Thank you, Nishi. Those who are the glow lovers, as I am, because I always want some glow on my face, right? It's not only about makeup which can give you the glow, but also what you include in your skincare. That is also very important, how you nurture and how you pamper your skin. According to me, this is a thumbs up for this amazing Nishi Glow Sugar Ice Cream Mask. Moving on to my next product. Here what I have with me is Nishi Gold Gel. So it comes with this packaging. The Nishi is written over here, and let's open it and see what it has. So here comes the gold glitter gel. Okay. See, the reason for buying this, being honest, I always want to own one gold glitter gel. I always wanted to have it. But what I like about this one is that the particles are not at all chunky. It looks so natural on the skin. It looks like you haven't applied anything, and that's your natural glow. So you all would be wondering what I have applied right now on my face, right? So I have also applied the same gold glitter gel. I've used it as a highlighter. And again, talking about this product also has multiple uses. Point number one, you can use it as a highlighter as I have used it today. Just look at the glow. Point number two, you can also use it as the moisturizer because it completely moisturizes your skin. Any type of wedding visits or for any festivals, for seasons, when you want a dashing and glamorous makeup look, you can definitely use it underneath your makeup to glow your base. The third point is you can also use it as a primer, right? Looks like this. It doesn't have any chunky particles. So here I'll be taking some of the product, okay, and I'm going to apply it on my hand. Just look at the glow, man. This is so amazing. As you all can see, it has such beautiful golden texture. Just look at the shine, so natural. The same on my face. Let's see how it looks. So this is so natural. If you want a very subtle and natural look, so you can use it as a highlighter also. Golden highlighter, right? Just look at the glow. Gee. The quantity which you get here is 60 grams of the product. So for me, this one is completely a thumbs up. Let's move on to the last but not the least one from Nishi Skincare, and that is this amazing cheeky nude blush and lip gel. It looks like this. I have applied the same shade right now on my lips, as you all can see. This is such a cute and the perfect nude for daily wear, I would say. I have already used it for so many times. I've used it at my workplace also, because when you are rushing, you always need something which is very compact and handy to use. So I always have it in my bag whenever I am at my workplace. You definitely don't need to touch up. Yes, it has a very good staying power. It stays for around 4 to 5 hours easily. You don't need to touch up, but yes, after that it requires a single touch up. Talking about this one also, it has multiple uses again. Why I'm saying this, you can use it as a lip gel. You can use it on your cheeks also, as I've done right now. Can you say this? I mean, this is so natural looking, because I don't like much of those pinky blushes which looks very odd sometimes, because when you apply it quite excess in quantity, so it looks very bright on the face. I am more into the natural and the nude makeovers, so it is completely a thumbs up for me. So let me read about the ingredients also. Enriched with aloe vera, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E. Ingredients are so natural. I mean, the lipsticks which we purchase from the market, most of them contain so many of the chemical products, right? Let's open it and apply them on my lips. I only have on my lips right now the lip balm I've applied. Okay, let's open it. And applicator is so handy. I mean, you can control the amount of product which you have to apply. So let's apply it. I have not taken it the second time from the bottle. This is only the single swatch with which it has covered all of my lips. Just look at the color. This is so pretty. I mean, the prettiest peach I have ever seen. This one for me is a complete thumbs up because it is makeup with skincare. Yes, when you are using the lip gel and it has so amazing ingredients that it is secretly taking care of your lips also and nourishing them. It has around 24 months shelf life, which I think is more than enough. And the MRP for this product is 350 rupees. Nishi Skincare also has their Instagram page, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video and if you like the products which I have shown to you all, if you somehow think deep in your heart that this video was useful to you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll definitely be coming up with more of such videos. Bye bye, take care everyone. Bye everyone.